Hey everyone, this is Sal Congeloso from Geek.com, and I'm here with the JVC HM300. That's the HD Everio GZ-HM300 HD webcam. It's pretty new. It was announced at CES 2010, so a little bit over a month ago, and it's one of JVC's entry-level HD, 1080p webcams. It's going to sell for, I think, about hold on. I think this sells for $399 is going to be the price. It has 20x optical zoom, advanced image stabilizer, 1.37 megapixel CMOS sensor, 24 megabit per second bitrate recording, and a Konica Minolta lens. Yeah, basically it's a kind of entry-level consumer camcorder that shoots 1080p, and I'm going to be using it to record my videos for the next couple of weeks. So, let's just do a quick unboxing, take a look at the cam. Just some details here, dual, it doesn't make any sense, but anyway, SD card slots, laser touch operation as JVC's touch sensitive controls, 24 megabit per second recording, AIS, facial detection, YouTube one touch upload, ABC HD, of course 1920 by 1080, full HD. Yeah, and the official model of this is the GZ-HM300 BUSM. Yeah. Just get on with this. It's a quick, easy start guide. More instructions, valued customer, warranty information. Then we have, those are the full instructions. Software kit, accessories, some more instructions, I guess, or something you mail in. Okay, now we're here with the good stuff. Right on top we have the battery pack. Your AC adapter, pretty standard size for a camcorder, and then JVC's little plug. This is RCA cables, lens cap, is mini USB to normal USB. And finally we have the HM300. You could see right off the bat that this is not a large product, in case it's quite small. I mean, in fact, it's quite small. So here we go, flipped out. And I'm going to put the battery in just so everyone can use that for reference. And next to an iPhone, yeah, that's a small cam. Really nice job there, especially considering they got 20x optical zoom and crammed it in there. Do a quick lap around the camera itself. In case you're wondering, it's 2.44 inches high, 2.05 inches wide, 4.3 inches long, and 0.44 pounds. I'm pretty sure that is with the battery in it. I'm getting these numbers off Amazon.com. So not too much going on top. We do see the adjustment right there. 2 LEDs for access, and then if it's power or charging. This right here is a dedicated snapshot button. On the side we only have a hand strap, no controls. On the back you have your trigger right there for getting the business done. And then in the back we have, above the battery, we see our power and then the USB connection. Under that, of course, is the battery. On the bottom we have the battery release. And then this back one, this front one, this is our camera mount. I don't know what the other one's for. It's not threaded. Yeah, you could use that for different things, I'm sure. Up front, no lens cap there, so you're going to have to take off the lens cap and put it on yourself. But it's not a major problem. Then we have our microphones. That looks to be, sorry. What I was going to say is that there's no included remote control. So I think one is available as an accessory, but you're going to have to do your research on your own there. But the fact is no one is included, so usually you have to get a little higher end cam for that. Popping the side open. On the inside, sorry, I'll zoom back in. We could see just a couple buttons there: play, your mode, one-click upload, info. This is a AV jack, HDMI, and this is your component out. There's your little speaker there. Little rubber pad. And then, sorry, trying to get the lighting right. Over here we just have your controls. You can see it lights up. That's you call it laser controls or something like that. It's basically just touch sensitive there. And then you have OK, 3 buttons for whatever is menu specific buttons, and then we have a menu button. Zoom back out and let you get one last look at the size. This thing is really small. I wouldn't quite call it pocketable, but it's pretty close, especially considering it shoots 1080p. So yeah, that is the JVC HM300 1080p Full HD webcam. And after this, once you start seeing our videos showing up in 1080p, you'll know we'll be shooting with this at least for a couple weeks. This is Sal Congeloso from Geek.com. Thanks for watching.